Hey guys, this is Mani Chopra here again at the Wycombe site. I'm now going to show you some of the external changes that we've made. If you remember, a few weeks ago, I did a video in the rain and we talked about securing the site, but also the fact that we may not have to knock off the two extensions, which basically is this bay here that's going to go all the way up with the upward extension and all the way to the roof. Now, unfortunately, when they actually looked at and inspected it more closely, they found that most of the part of the wall was single brick, and it wasn't fit for purpose. And also there wasn't a DPC membrane as well, so they thought, well, we're going to have to knock it off. So unfortunately, we've had to knock this bit of the extension off. The garage side, the single story, will stay, and we've definitely confirmed that with the contractor. But this side, unfortunately, they knocked it all off, as you can see. Let's quickly show you. They've already done the concrete. They poured the concrete out a couple of days ago. We've ordered the bricks, and we're going to start the brickwork very soon. But typically, I think, speaking to the contractor, they poured the concrete out, then they're going to do the DPC membrane, the Celotex, and then the screed. In terms of the levels, we are going to have to, unfortunately, although the levels are right, this particular bit of the building has also got to go and has to be skipped because there isn't a DPC membrane and a Celotex in that. So guys, we're making sure that we're doing it all back to the current regulations, and this single story extension was built according to the old regulations, which doesn't really work at the minute. So we're bringing it back to current regulations, and hope that gives you a bit of an idea of what we're doing. This whole bit of this extension will go all the way up to the roof space. As you can see, the site is full on under construction, and I'm going to give you 2 or 3 videos every single week on what's going on inside and outside on the site. So hope you found that useful, guys. Do connect with us on YouTube, on LinkedIn and Insta, and do also find out about our events, which run every second Thursday of the month at the Crown Plaza in Gerrards Cross. Check out our website, teamtitans.co.uk. We've got an auction special on the 11th of May, and we're also celebrating our 7th birthday. We'd love to see you there. Check it out, our website, teamtitans.co.uk. Thank you.